On today's video, I'm going to be exposing how it truly is super easy for anyone to work on their credit using AI if you choose to. I want to be really clear that AI is going to take over the entire credit repair industry across the United States, because this is truly the new wave on how you can work on your credit, and anyone can do it. The days of paying credit repair companies hundreds and thousands of dollars are completely over when you can do it all on your own. And guess what? You control the entire process. And listen, this is not ChatGPT. ChatGPT does not understand how to completely dispute, and it does not understand the entire credit reporting process. Because we all know there's always going to be somebody out there saying, I'm just going to use ChatGPT to fix my credit. It's just simple. And it's really not. But if it's really truly that simple, then show me how, fam. Show me how you're gonna actually do it. Because a lot of people talk a big game, but they're not telling you the truth. They're not walking you through the entire process. In order for ChatGPT to work properly in any type of disputing process, it has to go through thousands of letters to see what works and what doesn't work. And nobody is feeding that information to ChatGPT because, let's be honest, all these credit repair companies, all these gurus, they're all just lazy. And they're not telling you that ChatGPT doesn't understand how to read a credit report. ChatGPT does not understand the different tactics for disputing. There's Metro 2 attacking, there's factual disputing, there's consumer law. There's never been any software that does all three until now. I'm gonna say it again. ChatGPT does not understand the credit reporting process. And anyone out there that's trying to work on your credit, you have to understand that you are up against a machine. I want everyone to understand that the software that's being used with the credit reporting agencies is called eOscar. eOscar's job is to decipher what you're saying and communicate that with the credit reporting agencies to the creditors, the data furnishers, the debt collectors, anyone that's reporting that information. eOscar is communicating with them. But eOscar's job is to get you out of their hair as fast as they possibly can, because they're being inundated by thousands and possibly millions of letters every single month of people disputing inaccurate errors, inaccurate information, all types of issues with their credit reports. eOscar was created to benefit the credit reporting agencies, because the credit reporting agencies make money off of selling subprime borrowers information. They sell your information when you have a low credit score to all these massive companies that are going to try to get you an auto loan, try to get you a personal loan, a bad credit card. They make billions of dollars off of your bad credit score every single year. Don't be fooled. This is a billion-dollar industry. It is called big data, and they're going to continue to make money as long as they can continue to keep you down. How do you think you're getting those offers in email, or you're getting those letters in the mail, or you're getting text messages and, hey, you got a low credit score? We got a credit card for you. We can help you. Hey, you got a bunch of debt? We can help you. All of those emails are coming from one source, the credit reporting agencies. This is why it's super important that you work on your credit, because the longer they can keep you down, the more they're going to make you suffer, causing you to have to buy a car with a bad credit score, getting a high interest rate, buying a home with a high interest rate, getting these crappy credit cards that get you no benefits whatsoever. As long as they can keep you down, all of these massive companies are making billions of dollars off of your bad credit score. And then what happens? Your life becomes super expensive. As it is, the cost of living is expensive. And then on top of that, you add high interest rates, bad loans, bad credit cards. It just becomes a life that is just unaffordable. I want to be really clear. AI credit repair is the most powerful way that you can work on your credit besides using an actual attorney. I need to be very clear with you. I'm going to say it again. This is not ChatGPT, and it's damn sure not the bootleg credit versio that only gives you 3 basic template letters. It doesn't attack the creditors. It doesn't attack the secondary credit reporting agencies. And guess what? Now they're selling it to other YouTubers and creators and charging you more money for the exact same product.
You guys make me sick to my stomachs, fam. Honestly, if you guys want to look in my eyes, you guys want to do something? You guys, that's what I thought. No, that's what I thought.
And it's damn sure not the bootleg Dovely that pulls your credit reports only from TransUnion, and it's guessing that this item is on the other credit reporting agencies, basically making letters to dispute absolutely nothing.
Why is Amazon paying me $63,000 a month? Well, I didn't make this kind of money selling yoga mats and toasters, and I damn sure wasn't talking my friends into buying vitamins and juices. I did it with a free app that's probably already on your phone, and that app is the Kindle app. And the crazy part is, I didn't create this system. Carla taught me this. Carla, why don't you tell them more about it?
I'm going to show you a way to potentially make money by pairing Amazon with the power of AI without ever selling physical products. And I promise you've never heard about this before. I just created some simple digital products. Then I put them up on Amazon, and it was so exciting. The first time I tried it, I made $14, and I was like, oh my goodness, this actually works. Hi, I'm Carla Marie, and the coolest part is Amazon puts over 300 million customers.
Last part's the most important. And listen, all these bootleg credit repair companies are not telling you the truth that every single credit repair company out there is using software. They're not manually looking at credit reports. They're not manually creating custom letters for every single person. It's just impossible. You can't get to 100, 300, 500 clients by doing this all manually. You would have to have thousands of employees, and guess what? None of them do. So I'm telling you right now, they're all lying if they're telling you, oh yeah, we're gonna create your custom letter. No, they're not. Everyone is using software across the industry. And that's exactly why I helped create DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created. It uses Metro 2 compliance attacking, consumer law, and factual disputing, the first of its kind. And listen, a little secret between me and you. These software companies have made millions of dollars from just creating basic template letters. And then they make you go in there, you gotta choose a reason, then you gotta choose your letter, but you don't know that this template letter's been used for thousands of people. You don't know the difference between Metro 2 attacking, factual disputing, and consumer law. This is exactly why credit repair companies get away with all of this. Let's be honest, a lot of consumers don't even know that Metro 2 compliance even exists because everyone's been convinced that these template letters work. And before you come into the comments, no, this is not an actual sponsored video because I do actually own DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast is going to create your custom flow based on your specific issues using consumer law, factual disputing, and Metro 2 compliance, creating custom letters every single round. DisputeBeast is always going to attack the main three credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, but it's also going to attack the creditors. But it doesn't just stop there. It's also going to attack the secondary credit reporting agencies, LexisNexis, LCI, Anovis, ARS, Credco, Clarity, DataX, Microbilt, and FactorTrust. DisputeBeast is literally doing everything that no other software out there does. And you're probably asking yourself, but why? Why is it even possible that DisputeBeast is light years ahead of everyone else? Well, it's because the other softwares just don't care. And before you come into the comments and ask me, hey Mike, should we freeze the secondary credit reporting agencies before we start disputing? No, stop doing that. It's a huge waste of time. We need to eradicate all of these collections, charge-offs, and negative information everywhere it is reporting. That's why it is very vital that you attack at the secondary credit reporting agencies. Don't freeze them, attack them. DisputeBeast truly leaves no stone unturned, allowing you to perform credit repair at the highest level possible. Let me just show you how easy it truly is to use DisputeBeast. Now, once you've uploaded a copy of your utility bill and your driver's license into DisputeBeast, you're going to go to your main attack hub. It's the home page. Now, as you can see right there, the big blue button says start attack. You're just going to click that button. Once you click that button, it's going to show you and import all of your accounts that are on your credit report. It's going to highlight the negative ones. As you can see right there, it clearly says negative. Then you're going to scroll down. We only have one other negative right there. Then if you want to attack any hard inquiries, we'll get to the bottom of it. You can do that if you choose to, but it will tell you what to do and what not to do. So there's no guessing game here. You're going to be guided the entire way. It's just super simplified. But we're not going to attack any hard inquiries here. We're just going to start our attack. Now, generally speaking, it takes about 40 to maybe 50 seconds. Generally between that time frame, it will create your custom attack letters. I've never seen it go past 1 minute, just being honest with you. You're going to get all of your letters in one place, and then you'll choose whether you want to actually print them and mail them on your own, or you use the integrated mailing partner inside of DisputeBeast. It's the first of its kind. Every other software makes you send them off to some other company or something. No, everything's integrated into DisputeBeast. With SprintMail, you have the option in there. So it's going to tell you right now, it's almost done. I can sense it. I can feel it. And then it's going to just populate all these letters. all of them in one place. So you don't have to go anywhere. There it is. So there it is. There's your option for Sprint Mail. You can have them mail them for you for a total of $27.63 if you decide to use that new service. That's absolutely awesome. Then you can also mail them yourself. If you mail them yourself, it's going to email you all of the letters to your email address on file, and then you just print them and mail them. There's TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, your creditor that we're going to attack, and all of the secondary credit reporting agency, all 9 of them. This is the only software that gives you everything so easily. It literally is one click. Well, actually, technically 2 clicks to decide whether you want to mail or you want to actually print them on your own. So the choice is yours. It can't get any easier than this, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're ready to get started and take control of your credit, make sure to comment Beast to get started today and fix your credit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We gave you another big one on the best credit repair software out there on the market right now, Dispute Beast. Now make sure that you watch this next video because it is about a massive lawsuit against Cash App. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.